A century or so ago, manufacturing was relatively uncomplicated. Goods were produced from locally sourced materials and engineered at a single location. Competition was scarce and regulation was light. But today's business environment is more complex and more dynamic than ever. Production is executed on a global scale, served by intricate supply chains. Technological innovation, consumer demand, and evolving regulations are driving a dizzying pace of change, and competition is intensifying, forcing manufacturers to deliver greater product complexity and a larger variety of goods in bigger volumes, all in much shorter time frames. As a result, the real differentiator in manufacturing today is quality, because in a world where uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity have become the norm, it's a focus on quality and consistency that gives businesses their competitive advantage. For 25 years, ETQ has been at the forefront of designing and delivering quality management systems that allow organizations to build a quality culture. Our enterprise quality management system's combination of automation, integration, and collaboration gives manufacturers the visibility they need to make better decisions, work more closely with suppliers, proactively identify and mitigate risk. One transparent version of the truth, visible to all. Get ahead of the competition. Put quality at the heart of everything your organization does.